Good morning, mga chingu! Today is Sunday and I'm testing my new camera right now, which is the DJI Pocket 3. Tingnan natin kung maganda ba yung ano niya. Looks very nice. Mas maganda to siya talaga sa DJI Pocket 2 of mine. We'll see after we edit it. Anyways, how do you like my pambahay outfit? Yun diba? I actually gained a lot of weight, as you guys know, for those sa mga avid fan and avid followers ko and subscribers. I did gain some weight and I'm trying to lose weight. So, yun. Anyway, so much of the chika. Oh, I totally forgot. Yesterday in Ayala, I got some stuff here in Nature Republic to use for our outing today. So, let me just show you ano yung mga pinamilit natin sa Nature Republic. Okay, here we go. We have here a sunblock. It says California Aloe Aqua Jumbo Sunscreen for outdoor activities. It has SPF 50+, PA+++. Look. Ayan, for our body. And then, for the face naman, kasi iba yung sunblock ko for the body, and iba din yung sunblock ko for the face, because I'm very sensitive. Parang, I don't know, hindi ako hiyang to use a body sunscreen to my face. You know, I feel it's sticky in a way, or I don't know, hindi lang talaga hiyang sa face ko. But so, anyway, I got this daily sunblock, SPF 50 pa rin siya, plus PA+++. I got the, what's this? Because there's so many forms of this. May stick din nito. But I got the, yung parang cream ba to? Let me just open this one for you guys to see. Yeah, I got this one. Para siyang cream. Kasi meron nitong parang stick. So this is the cream variant. And then I also got this aloe vera 92% soothing gel for the heat, diba? After namin sa beach, for sunburn, or mga ganon-ganon, or just to moisturize and have that cooling effect after, I don't know. But this is really good for the skin too. You can also actually put this in your face as a moisturizer, something like that. And I've got here, I got blushes. Ayan, I've got two blushes from Nature Republic still. It's this one, this shade, and this shade. Parang coral to, and the other one is kind of like a pale pink or purplish kind of thing that I'm going to layer and try, because you know, if you're not familiar with Korean makeup and stuff, it's been a trend right now lately for mga pale blushes, pero actually it's not really very pale. If you put this on your face, iba yung glow niya. I'm just gonna do another video of this to show you guys the effects sa skin nito. But I got two shades. The other one, the coral color or parang peachy color, is number 13 by Flower Blusher 13 Praha Dahlia. Wow. And then I got the parang pale pink. Oh, sorry. It's violet purple. That's really the color. It's number 11, violet purple. Yan. So I got two shades of blushes from Nature Republic. And I've got a bunch of freebies from, look, I've got a bunch of freebies from Nature Republic that they gave away, but it's not for women. It's actually, what's this? It's actually a emotion forest relief for men emotion. Ayan. And then the other one, I think there's two kinds. The other one is a toner, a mist toner. What else? Ano ba to? Yeah, it's just the emotion and a toner na parang maliliit na mga stuff. I'm gonna give this to my honey para he can try it out and see if maganda. Then I'm gonna buy him a big one. Ang dami nito. Thank you, Nature Republic, for giving me so many. Tingnan nyo, ang dami. Ang dami talaga dito sa loob. But anyway, that's all for my mini Nature Republic haul. Now we're gonna go dressed. Ooh, I also have pala a gift that I received from my friend. Hi, Vanessa! Papa Pido, shout out. Wait, let me just get my gift or present from my pasalubong, which I haven't really touched yet and opened. So I'm gonna go get it. Wait lang. So we got here we go. Ayan, I've got H&M and this Pandora. O, diba? Ang bongga ng friend ko. Binigyan ako ng Pandora. So, it says here, a token of friendship. Oh, from Vanessa Sanchez. Hi, Yash! Thank you for this lovely present. So, ngayon, unahin muna natin to. Just put this one here muna. Let's see what's inside this paper bag right here. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. What's that? Ooh, baby, don't you know heaven of place on earth. Ito na naman tayo sa kanta-kanta, pa-sing along, diba? Na-miss nyo yun, mga chingo? Ooh, baby, they make heaven a place on earth. Say heaven, love's goes straight. Make heaven a place on earth. Diba? Dadalhin ko kayo sa heaven. Hi! Kanta lang. Anyway, it's a dress from H&M. It's a striped dress. Paano ba to? Ooh. Okay, tama yung size. It's medium. I used to be extra small or small, but right now, nasa medium tayo. So, let's try it on. I'm gonna try it on for you guys to see. But anyway, hindi na natin siya ni ano. Parang ano siya, pang church, madam yung peg, pang meeting, ganon. Parang first lady, ganon. Ayan. Okay ba? Yeah, so, okay. On to the undress tayo. Di ba? Ang sexy. Paano ba mag-undress ala Koreana on a sexy level? Paano ba nga ba talaga mag-undress? Like sexy yung parang ba yan? Anyway, thank you guys for the dress. It's very pretty. I like it. Dito naman tayo. Diba? Ang social Pandora. So, let's see what's inside this token of friendship. Okay. Okay, this is my first time ever nga pala na Pandora jewelry yata to. Parang Pandora is actually a jewelry shop ba? Or accessory shop? I don't know. But, hindi pa talaga ako pumasok dun sa mga shops ngayon. But, it's really nice. And, hindi pa ako nagkaroon ng Pandora sa buhay ko. Thank you, Yaj, for giving me one. Let's first start off with this card. May pa-card siya. Ayan. Ay, hindi pala siya card. It's a polishing cloth. Ayan. So, paano ba ito? Yun. So, it's a polishing cloth. Here you go. For the, parang Yep. And then, the main entry or the, paano ba yun? Ang star of this unboxing ng Pandora is of course this baby right here. Yan, look at that new paper bag. And so, this is the first time I'm gonna be opening this with you mga chingo. So, let's open this. Paano ba siya open? Ganun. Ay, wow! Look at how cute that is! It's a blue eternity ring. Yes, it is. So, try natin isukat. Parang malaki siya. See? So, it's kind of big for this. I think it would fit here. And I can stack some other rings. Ang ganda. I've seen a lot in Korean drama, mga ganon. They're into yung parang mga cute na mga jewelry. And my friend Vanessa knows that I'm so into yung mga Korean stuffs and mga K-drama, K-pop yan. So that's why she gifted me this one, probably. Thank you, Yaj. I really love it. Ang ganda. Super duper nice ng ring. I love it. Thank you, Yaj. And yeah. So, we're now gonna get ready. So, yeah. I forgot I need to do my skincare muna, diba? Bago tayo umalis. So, I'm gonna show you guys how I prep my skin. Well, it's just a basic skincare plus the sunblock. Okay, so maybe we have to tie my hair. Yeah, like this na lang. I'm putting the camera, the DJI Pocket 3 with the active face track, and it's so doing it so well. Okay, so first is of course the toner from Centella. Put some toner muna. There you go. And it's very important to do skincare not only at night but also in the morning para healthy yung skin and protected, as well as to maintain the glow and also to stay young. Or I wouldn't say stay young, but it's more of like parang aging gracefully. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we're done with the toner. We're gonna go ahead and have the, what's this, parang serum ampule. Ayan, Centella ampule. Konti na lang, oh. But I actually purchased another set of this one. Put 2 drops here and one's the forehead. Just gonna do this. Spread it evenly. I really like Centella kasi it's very lightweight sa skin and it absorbs really fast and it's not greasy at all. I also put this sa neck natin. Ayan. Just like that. Yan. And usually I put this soothing cream at night, but since it's the daytime, I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna skip this one out, and I'm gonna use the sunblock that we bought from Nature Republic. I don't have a Centella sunblock yet, and I needed the sunblock immediately right now, and they don't have a shop. And we need to order that one out. So I'm gonna order maybe. But ubusin na natin yung Nature Republic. My previous sunblock was from Dalba or the Alba. Medyo, kasi ito tinatry ko lang din because I have their serum which I use on a daily basis para glowy, vibrant skin, glass skin yung effect niya. This one I ran out already. Not much of a fan of this one. My usual sunblock is actually the COSRX Aloe soothing kind of thing. I forgot the, ano basta, it's, if you've seen my videos before, my usual sunblock is the COSRX brand, and I just tried this one because nagustuhan ko si the Alba or Dalba First Spray Serum, so that's why I got this one too. And not really into that one, this brand, because that one, because it's kind of like greasy yung formula niya and sticky. Anyway, we're gonna try the Daily Sunblock California Aloe. Parang same yata to ng COSRX, I think. We'll see. I'm gonna try this out. COSRX also doesn't have a physical store. I was gonna get that one or try the Centella, but unfortunately they don't have a physical store, so that's why eto na lang muna for now. Let's see, baka magustuhan natin to. Okay, and I just put evenly. It's very important talaga na you put sunblock on your face. Ganito talaga ako maglagay ng sunblock para even yung spread niya. This smells really good. Ang mild ng smell niya, ng scent niya. And we'll see kung hindi siya greasy yung formula and if it's really lightweight sa face. Diba? Again. And we're also going to put sa neck para protected din yung neck natin, diba? There you go. Kung baka malate na talaga ako dito sa pinagkagawa ko. Okay. Let's see. So now let's spread it evenly. What? Ooh. Uy, I kind of love this. Para siyang ano, yung feeling niya is same with my COSRX. It's really parang ano, ang ganda. It spreads evenly. And it's not, it looks, ano ha, nag-glow yung skin ko, no? It's really nice, ha? It gives you that glowy finish. But it's not greasy at all. And it's very lightweight sa face. I like this one. It's almost similar with my, ano, COSRX. So, finish natin yung neck. Ooh, parang gusto ko to. We'll see if my skin will not have a reaction to the sunblock. But usually, pag mga Korean brands, hiyang yung skin natin. And, ayan, yung finish. Let's see. O, diba? Ganda. I love this one. It's super nice. Oh, wow. I like the glow. I love the glow. Parang hindi ko na kailangan ng lagay nito. Because it's really giving that glow Korean glass skin look on my face. Ah, diba? So now, baka maglagay tayo ng a little bit of a blush. And we're good to go. Parang ano siya, fresh. Wait, let me just get my blush. Medyo magulo yung bathroom ko because I haven't cleaned yet kasi super busy. I'm using the Sunny's Face muna for now kasi this is like a cream blush. The one that I got from Nature Republic kasi is actually a powder blush. So I don't know if okay siya for the beach. And I'm kind of in a hurry right now. So eto na lang muna yung gagamitin natin. It's Sunny's Face. It's Air Blush in the shade Ras. Ayan, Cheek Tint. Look. Ayan, so this is what we're gonna use. I'm just simply gonna put a little bit. Beachy look. Not beachy, ha? Beachy look. Yun. Parang ano lang. Blush. Okay. Parang sinampal ka lang, ganun. And then now, but it's more of like yung parang sun-kissed look, if you know what I mean. So, we're done. And now, we're gonna go change na. And this is the fit for today. I got this beautiful, sexy, casual, black long dress in TikTok shop. In case gusto nyo bumili, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description box para makabili din kayo. Yan.
Riding on my wave, I'll be on my way. I just told them.
Out here at the Wave Yacht Lounge. We're just checking the venue right now. This is actually owned by our Korean friend Min. Annyeong 친구, thank you for inviting us. We can also test the board here. Right now, hindi pa ayos yung place because they're actually cleaning up. Kaya the place is kind of like not yet in a nice order right now because they're still not yet open as of right now. Look at the beach. It's beautiful. I'm loving this place. It's like you're in a different place. It's like you're in Maldives or something. Ang ganda dito. Oh my goodness. And the next time we're gonna come here, we're gonna bring the boards with us. And we're gonna hang out to that yacht over there. So, yeah. We will schedule. Look at that, really beautiful in the camera. This is my chingo, Min. Hello. Annyeong. Say hello to my friends. Hello, vlog. Ayan. The place is really beautiful.
Another end of the night, here I am by your side again. I couldn't hide what I've been keeping inside, so I tried to deny it again. And tonight feels different. Maybe something is different in the air. Can't wait another minute. The anticipation getting to be too much to